First, we add some garlic to the pot. Then, hot pot sauce is added. Next up are some ground beef and meatballs. We stir it all together nicely. Now for a little bit of water. And then more water again. More ingredients go in. What could they be? Noodles. These look delicious already. Some more noodles get tossed into the mix. Meatballs join the party with the noodles. A touch of cabbage adds freshness. Stirring everything together ensures even cooking. Finally, cilantro finishes off this flavorful dish. Enjoy!